pragmatisme en agility. Tzart kevor uzet id of togol se goveram tout justifie effectivement efficient management of the crisis ket ou Covid-19. Te reçu speak forte en solve, 300 actives cases, juste au V13,000 curé patient. In term of vaccination stratégie, 722,000 doses received dans 300,000 Togol already vaccinated. I can tell you have done with the response and are starting to relaunch, said Victoire Tomogado at microphone of FI, after visit to Paris à part of Africa Forum of the Science, oui Chelsea dont Julie 1, 2021. In his speech, the Prime Minister referred to Togo ambition avel at the security challenge facing the country in the north with the jihadist threat in the Sahel, and in the south, with piracy in the Gulf of Guinea. What strength have? First of all, security and peace. Second assay your country geostrategic position and tier assay the business ecosystem. Altiputojet et Mantato de Togo constitue ta plateforme Wishi at Sam team financial, logistique en industrial. Oui en industrial plateforme? Because Togo in the process of initiating, in a profound way, industrialisation. The believe tava value of agricultural and mineral material. Agricultural because have cotton, soyban cashenut en at mining level, have phosphate avel iron. Venons longer want to export our job to European, Asian or American country. Vous want to recruit job for our youth. Be processing your product on site, the create value. En industrial platform have been set up. It seek to welcome all investor, French, European, etc. Tissu of security real into subregion. Tia question tachult certain linob minimized. When Burkina Faso exposed, valso have a problem. The therefore have an interest in pulling your energy, or strengthen your resource in order to be able to fight this scourge. The understood very early on have to do allow of social inclusion and financial inclusion by setting, u project, program ta will ria population living in the most remote area. Fighting poverty increase security. The connection est obvio. Beyonta, the are deploying a all security arsenal with the collaboration of the population. The two Savouatch group through our country to be able to fight effectively against this scourge. Tiiwamak tatode, the concept have are preserved blue must remain alert alt team. Togo hosted summit on maritime security a year ago. The port of Lomé it year of the Togol's economy en the cano, notin Kabou securing ti port. Today, the concept, with alt organisation set up at level of the port of Lomé, the rare ship ta comme tous ces refuge terrain. Impressive. A night, use mort en 100 ship positioned in the port of Lomé. It a port of refuge. Timant have invested. Have continue to invest in the fight against maritime piracy and Haiti paying of today. It economy of the country, the economy of the subregion are concerned en surta.